Okay, this is the master shower. The way this works is it's got three shower heads. It's got a rain head, a side shower head, and the main hand shower here. To turn it on, it's the little cross handles right above the valve. So you turn it this way. To get it hot, you want it fully counterclockwise. So turn the knob as counterclockwise as you can on both of them. Okay, let's say you want to have the rain head, right? So for the rain head, you have to turn on this bottom one here on the right side of it, on the left side of this valve, which is right here. And then the top one also has to be counterclockwise. So if you see what I did, this has to be counterclockwise here, this top cross valve, and this one that I originally turned on. So if one of them is not, it will not turn on. To turn it off, you turn them both clockwise, okay? And then the same goes for this one. I believe the top one turns that shower on. The bottom one is for the body washers. I don't recommend turning that on. Again, this is your valve all the way hot. Press the button in, turn it as far clockwise as you can, and then you can back it off as needed.